Welcome back, stargazers. Today's video is all about Astro Events July 2023 edition, where we bring you the captivating highlights of celestial events that will leave you amazed this month. From meteor showers to the planetary alignments and everything in between, we have got you covered. But before that, if you are new here, consider subscribing to the Universe Factory followed by pressing the bell icon next to it. We post some interesting stuff related to astronomy regularly on this channel that you may not want to miss. Also find us on social media platforms, links to which have been mentioned in the description below. Additionally, I have mentioned some interesting apps that will help you to locate celestial objects easily in the description. So buckle up, grab your telescopes or simply sit back, relax. Astro Events July 2023 is here to ignite your passion for the cosmos like never before. July 2023 begins with a planetary conjunction. Planets Venus and Mars will appear to be closer to each other even after they are separated by nearly 74.4 million kilometers from each other. This conjunction will take place in between constellations Leo and Cancer. The Moon will be located on the opposite side of the Earth as the Sun, hence its face will be completely illuminated. This is also the first of 4 supermoons for 2023. The Moon will be near to closest approach to the Earth and may look slightly larger and brighter than usual. The ringed planet Saturn will pass at 2.4 degrees north of the Moon at 3:09 UTC, making it a conjunction. This conjunction will take place in Aquarius constellation. This time the gas giant Jupiter will pass at 2.1 degrees south of the Moon at 21:21 UTC, making it a conjunction. This conjunction will take place in Pisces constellation. This time, Moon will be located on the same side of the Earth as the Sun, hence its face will be completely invisible. This day and the days around the new moon are ideal to observe deep sky objects such as galaxies, nebulae, and star clusters, etc. The next conjunction of the month will be between Moon and Mercury. This time, planet Mercury will pass at 3.3 degrees south of the Moon at 8:57 UTC. This conjunction will take place in Cancer constellation. This is the time when Venus will pass 7.5 degrees south of the Moon at 8:38 UTC, making it a conjunction with the Moon. This conjunction will take place in Leo constellation. This time Mars will pass 3.1 degrees south of the Moon at 4 o'clock UTC, making it a conjunction. This conjunction too will take place in Leo constellation. Delta Aquariids meteor shower runs from July 12 to August 23, but the best night for photographing it is one between July 30 and 31st. The peak is on July 31st at 17:57 UTC with 25 meteors per hour. At this time the moon phase is 95.6%, so the conditions to enjoy it might not be very good because of the moonlight. But this depends on where and when you are on the planet. This meteor shower is visible from both the hemispheres. However, it's best visible in the southern hemisphere. In northern hemisphere, it has lower intensity. Now let's find out what the planets are doing in July 2023. Being always near the Sun, planet Mercury will be very difficult to observe. At the beginning of the month, it will be in Gemini constellation and will travel to Leo constellation at the month's end. It will make a conjunction with Moon on 19th July at 8:57 UTC in Cancer constellation. The brightest planet in the solar system, Venus, will be unmissable in the evening sky. It will be located near Leo constellation as the month begins. It will make a conjunction with Mars on 1st July at 6:48 UTC. It will make another conjunction, this time with Moon on 20th July at 8:38 UTC. The red planet Mars will be shining in the evening sky with its distinct reddish color. It will be sitting near Leo constellation throughout the month. It will make conjunction with Venus on 1st July at 6:48 UTC. It will again make conjunction, this time with Moon on 21st July at 4 o'clock UTC. The gas giant Jupiter will be visible only after midnight above the eastern horizon. It will be located near Cetus constellation throughout the month. It will make a conjunction with Moon on 11th of July at 21:21 UTC. The ringed planet Saturn will appear around the midnight time above the eastern horizon. It will be located in Aquarius constellation throughout the month. It will make a conjunction with Moon on 7th of July at 3:09 UTC. If you have a good pair of binoculars or a telescope, you will be able to observe Uranus after midnight above the eastern horizon. It will be located near Taurus constellation throughout the month. Situated at around 4.45 billion km from the Earth, Neptune too will be very difficult to observe unless if you have a good pair of binoculars or a telescope. It will be located near Pisces constellation throughout the month after midnight above the eastern horizon. And that wraps up another incredible episode of Astro Events July 2023 edition. We hope you enjoyed this cosmic journey and were inspired by the wonders of the universe. If you enjoyed this episode, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow astronomy enthusiasts. Your support means the world to us. If you don't want to miss any future episodes and want to stay connected with the latest celestial updates, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss a moment of astronomical excitement. And remember, the universe is vast and ever-changing, so keep your eyes to the skies and keep exploring. We would love to hear your thoughts, comments and suggestions. So leave them down below and let's engage in fascinating discussions about the cosmos. Thank you for joining us on the incredible journey through the stars. Until next time, keep dreaming big, keep reaching for the stars, and keep exploring the wonders of our magnificent universe. And as always, keep looking up.